Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing everyone how I style my bold handbag from Kinds of Grace. I adore this bag, and yes, it's a bold handbag, but that's what I love about it, and I think every lady deserves just one bold handbag in her collection. And the reason I love it is it elevates my look. So if I've got something plain on, it just makes it look better. And I stand out from the crowd, because who wouldn't stand out from a crowd with an orange handbag with a snake print, blue and orange print up the top. And also I love how I can take a classic look and make it more spruced up, or just spice it up a bit. I love classic, there's nothing wrong with classic, but every now and then I just feel like taking a bold bag and just giving it a different punch to my outfit. So when I picked this bag, they did send me this bag, but when I picked it, I looked for a number of things before I picked this bag. So if you're thinking of getting a bold bag in your collection, just take these into consideration like I did. Number one, I wanted to look at the occasions I could wear this bag. Could I wear it to business meetings? Could I take it out if I was going to a high tea or something special on the weekend, or just every day? Number two, I also wanted to look at my existing wardrobe with my clothes to see what this bag would be able to be styled with. I mean, an orange bag, some would say it was harder, but for me, I had lots of things in my wardrobe that would contrast with this or would go with this. The other thing I really love about this bag, but I had to take into consideration, is this snake print panel here. I adore it, but because I wear a lot of print and pattern in my clothes or in my dressing, I had to make sure I had enough plain outfits, which I did, and I've been really surprised at how many outfits I can actually style this bag. I've actually got more in my wardrobe than I thought. And the last thing I wanted to do is I wanted to make sure that I could wear this bag in a number of ways, in the fact that I wanted to be able to hand carry it, because that is ladylike, feminine, it is chic, but I also realized that it's not practical just to have a handheld bag, and this does have a strap, and I love that I can crossbody it, go off to the markets and just have a more dressed down look. But also if I wanted to be in between, I can just wear the strap over my shoulder. So I think the main thing to consider if you're after a bold bag is to make sure it fits your personality, and this one really fits my personality. I've been using this for the last week and I adore it, I love it. So I'm going to show you what I've done and how I've styled it for the last week. So please enjoy my styling pictures, and don't forget everyone, Ada loves style. See you again next time, bye. If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.